Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with data tab of MS Excel. Like first tool you can see on the screen is promises. For example, you wanted to access one external file into the Excel. So how you can do the same? For this, what you need to do is you need to click on this particular option, promises. When you click here, it will show you all the files available under MSSS, like all the files which you have created under MSSS, the files will be visible here in the list. Okay, so you can select any single file which you wanted to import into the Excel. For example, I have selected this file, then I clicked on open. When I click on open, it will ask me for the area in which I wanted to paste this particular data. Okay, so you can select that particular cell. By default, the selection is in A1 cell. Okay, if you wanted to change it, you can change it as well. Okay, then click on OK. It will insert that particular data in your Excel. Okay, so this is the one way if you wanted to import the data from any MSSS file. Next is if you wanted to import any text file. So how you can do the same. For this, what you can do is you need to click here on the from text option. Okay, when you click here, you need to visit that particular location where some text file is present. For example, on desktop, there is one text file with the name of details. I need to select this file, then I need to click on import. Okay, after this, it will import that particular data present in the file into my Excel sheet. Again, it will ask for the location. Then I need to select the location. Then I need to click on OK. So it will insert the data from that particular text file into my Excel sheet. So this way, if you wanted to import data from any external file, you can import data into your Excel sheet. Got it? Okay, after this, you can see here one option which is existing connections. For example, someone was importing files into the Excel sheet. Okay, now you wanted to check the existing connections, like from what are the original sources of those particular files. Okay, for that case, what you need to do is you need to click on existing connections. When you click on existing connection here, you would be able to see that which are the connections to your workbook. Like earlier, we have imported one file from the student to, then we have imported one file from the details file. Okay, so you would be able to see those files from where you imported the data. Got it? Like if you don't want someone to see all such kind of details, so what you can do is you can delete those connections. How you would be able to delete those connections? You need to click here on the connections option. Okay, then you need to select that particular source file, then you need to click on remove option. This way you can remove all those sources from the existing connections option. Now you would be able to see the connection, but you would not be able to see the existing connection. You cannot just give the name of any file that what was the recent existing source. Okay, you just have the random list of sources. Okay, which is present in a shuffled form. You cannot like judge on any of the file that which was the recent one, recent existing connection, from which file you recent imported the data. So people would not be able to see this particular thing. Okay, so after this we have one option available with us which is known as sorting. What is the sorting? If you wanted to arrange your data in a particular order as per some given criteria, then you can do with the help of sorting. How you need to do this? First of all, you need to select the complete data. Then you need to click on the option whether you wanted to sort the data A to Z, or whether you wanted to sort the data Z to A. If you wanted to have the sorting on in ascending order, you need to click here. Okay, when you click here, it will sort your data as per the given order. If you wanted to have the sorting in descending order, you need to click here on Z2A. It will sort your data as per the descending order. Okay, for example, you don't wanted to have sorting as per the first column. You wanted to have sorting as per the second column, third column, or fourth column, or so on. Okay, so in that case, what you need to do is you need to click on sort option. When you click here, it will ask you for the column by which you wanted to have the sorting. Like here by default it is selected in the sort by column. The first name is selected. For example, I wanted to sort the values as per the address. So I can select the address. Okay. Then I wanted to have sorting on values only. Then I have selected the values in this particular sort on condition. Then I need to select the order, in which order I wanted to sort values of the address. Okay, if you wanted to have the if you wanted to sort the values as per A to Z order, okay, you can select this and click on OK. You'll be able to see here, first of all, the Aryanagar address is here, then Bahadurgarh, then Chandigarh. So things are sorted as per their order. Okay, same way, if you wanted to have sorting as per any numbering condition, so it will ask you for the descending or ascending order, and you can do the same in the same manner. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. After this, which option we do have? We have the filtering option. What is the filtering option? For example, you wanted to see some amount of data as per the certain conditions. For example, you just wanted to filter the data. Okay, let me create a large record for the same. Let me insert some rows into the sheet. Like I have inserted some rows into the sheet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste this particular record for number of times, for 3 or 4 times, so that I can create a a new record. For example, assume this is every record belongs to every other user identity. Okay, so what we need to do here is, for example, we wanted to apply filter by default, when your values are in the table, by default, the filter is applied on the complete set of data. Like if you wanted to remove the filter, what you can do is you can click on this particular filter option. It will remove the filter from the range of cells. Okay, if you wanted to apply it again, you can click on the filter option. You will notice here some kind of arrow is visible on the like uh, on each and every column header. Okay, so for example, you wanted to see only the addresses which belong to Aryanagar. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to click here on the select all option, so that all the checkboxes can be unselected, deselected. Okay, after this, what you need to do is, whatever the thing you wanted to see, like whatever the record you wanted to filter on which such criteria, you can check on that. Okay, for example, I just wanted to see those records who belong to Aryanagar. Then I checked on Aryanagar, then I clicked on OK. Now you would be able to see that only those records are visible on my screen which belong to Aryanagar, whose address belong to Aryanagar. Other than that, all the records are hidden on my sheet. Okay, same way, if you wanted to see, like if you wanted to clear the filter, you can clear the filter from here. Like for example, you wanted to filter the data as per their last name. For example, I wanted to see only those people who has surname Sharma. Okay, I wanted to see only those people who has surname Sharma. Then I can check on that. Then I click on OK. When I click on OK, only those records will be visible on the screen whose last name is Sharma. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, so this way you can apply filter to the set of records. I hope this is clear. Thank you so much, everyone. This is the session for today.